So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to restrict someone on Messenger so you can limit conversation without completely blocking them. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app installed from the Google Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then open the app and you will see all your chats. Now scroll down and find and tap on the conversation of the person you want to restrict. In the chat, tap on the person name at the top and click on until this see the settings. Now you will see the option restrict, tap on it and confirm. When you restrict someone, their messages move to your message request folder. They won't see when you are online and they also won't know you have read their messages. And that's it. You have successfully restricted someone on Messenger without blocking them. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a good day, bye bye.